The positive market sentiment on Wall Street comes from the likelihood that the U.S. authorities will provide a new stimulus package worth $1 trillion. The lawmakers have to approve the bill by late July because the ongoing program expires on August 1st. Trading sentiment has turned sour due to fresh statistics on the U.S. labor market. The U.S. stock market opened today with a minor growth. Futures on the Dow Jones edged up 0.15% to trade at 26,922. The S&P 500 was 0.15% up at 3,269.12. Investors welcome financial records by U.S. companies. They cheered corporate earnings of Tesla as it reported better than expected net profits. The electric vehicle maker set a new record in terms of market capitalization. Nevertheless, no comments have been made yet whether Tesla stock will be included in the S&P 500 index. Today, the report from AT&T is on investors' radars. The rally of the U.S. high-tech giant stocks accounts for the steady bullish trend in stock indices in the recent months. Microsoft, Apple and Amazon are recognized as the best performers. In the nearest weeks, other successful companies with upbeat records could intensify the rally. If so, the S&P 500 is likely to hit a new high at 3,500 points. Today, traders are alert to a weekly update on unemployment claims in the U.S. Last week, the data confirmed improvement in the U.S. labor market. However, this week, traders are discouraged. The number of initial applications rose for the first time since early April, thus indicating some domestic headwinds. The number of initial jobless claims increased by 109,000 to 1,416,000. The market had expected the same growth as in the previous week. Investors are poised to exit long positions on the US dollar due to uncertain prospects of the US economy. The US currency has been extending weakness against its major rivals, except the Japanese yen. The US dollar index has tumbled over 1% since Monday. Interestingly, today it rebounded from lows at near 94, which could signal a trend reversal. The Dow Jones was trading in the red, while other stock indices were trading higher. The Canadian dollar asserted strength amid stronger inflationary pressure in June. Lately, the loonie sustains its bullish trend amid the US dollar's weakness. However, today the Canadian dollar slipped a bit amid the greenback's faint attempts to gain ground. So the currency pair reversed upwards. Crude oil has come under pressure in the New York session amid negative fundamentals and the rising US dollar. WTI is expected to climb at $42–45 a barrel. A further rally is a big question. At present, commodity currencies, including the Canadian dollar, look overbought and need a downward correction. They are supposed to extend strength until the US releases positive news. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and see you back tomorrow. Bye.